In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to PDF. This is a simple process that you can do right from your desktop, whether you are using Windows or a Mac. You won't need any special software for this, as both operating systems come with built-in tools to help you accomplish this task with ease. Let's start with Windows. The first method we'll look at is the Print to PDF option, which is the easiest way to convert an image. Begin by finding the image file you want to convert. It can be a JPG or a PNG file. Once you have located your image, go ahead and right-click on it. This will open up a context menu with various options. From the context menu, click on Print. This action will open up the Print dialog box. Here you will see a list of available printers. Under the printer option, select Microsoft Print to PDF. This step is crucial because it tells your computer to create a PDF file instead of sending the image to a physical printer. After selecting this option, click Print. Once you have clicked Print, you will be prompted to choose where you want to save your new PDF file. Navigate to your desired folder or location and then click Save. This ensures your converted file is stored right where you need it. With that done, your image is now a PDF. This method is not only quick but also very straightforward, offering a reliable way to convert your images. Next up, let's explore another method on Windows using the Photos app. First, open your image in the Photos app. You can do this by double-clicking the image file if Photos is your default image viewer. Once the image is open, press Ctrl and P on your keyboard. This will open the Print dialog box in the Photos app. In the Print dialog box, you need to select Microsoft Print to PDF just like before. This selection is essential because it directs the app to create a PDF file instead of printing on paper. After you have made this selection, click on Print. You will once again be prompted to choose a location to save your PDF file. Navigate to your desired folder and click Save. And there you have it. Your image is now successfully converted into a PDF. This method is particularly handy if you are already using the Photos app to view your images. Remember, converting images to PDF on Windows can be done quickly and efficiently using these built-in tools. Whether you choose to use the Print to PDF option directly from the file or through the Photos app, you are assured of a seamless process. Now, with these steps, you can confidently convert any of your images into PDF files without the need for additional software or complicated processes. It's all about making use of the tools you have at hand. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your workflow a little bit smoother. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy converting!